Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world. Education is no exception. From personalized learning platforms to AI-powered tutoring systems, the possibilities seem endless. This new technology is exciting, but it also raises important questions about the future of teaching. Can AI truly replace human educators? The answer is complex. AI offers incredible opportunities to enhance education, but it cannot replicate the essential role of a teacher. In this essay, we will explore the impact of AI in education. We will examine its strengths and limitations. We will also look at real-world examples of AI in classrooms. Ultimately, we will see that the future of education depends on a collaborative approach. AI and human educators can work together, creating a richer and more effective learning experience for all.
AI offers several benefits for education. One of the most significant is personalized learning. AI algorithms can analyze student data, including their strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. This data helps create customized learning paths for each student. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace and receives targeted support in areas where they struggle. AI makes this vision a possibility. It tailors the learning experience to individual needs. Another strength of AI is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data. This data can provide valuable insights into student performance and learning patterns. Teachers can use this information to make data-driven decisions and improve their teaching strategies. AI can also automate administrative tasks. Grading, scheduling, and even providing feedback on essays can be done by AI systems. This frees up teachers' time, allowing them to focus on more important tasks, such as providing individualized support and guidance to their students.
Despite the many advantages of AI, there are certain qualities of human teachers that cannot be replicated by machines. At the top of the list is empathy. Teachers connect with their students on a human level. They understand their emotions, motivations, and challenges. This emotional connection is crucial for creating a positive and supportive learning environment. Mentorship is another irreplaceable aspect of human teaching. Good teachers are more than just instructors. They are mentors,